Hi friend, welcome our channel. This video I am going to show you how to configure GRE tunnel in CISCO switch packet tracer. This video I show configure GRE tunnel in CISCO switch packet tracer step by step. First step, we make a topology and all interface and all necessary interface we assign IP address. Then for router we make any routing protocol. Here I use OSPF. Then make a tunnel site A router and site B router using GRE. Here is our network topology. Here I connect 3 router and 2 switch and all in one PC. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 network. Now I enter router 1 and assign IP and initial configuration. In CLI mode, you can type here no, then enable, then config T. First I change the router host name. Here my case site 1. Then assign IP in 0/0 interface, that is 192.168.10.1 and subnet max 255.255.2.0, then no short. Then assign IP interface G gigabit 0/1. Here IP address is 10.10.10.2 and subnet max 255.255.252, then no shutdown. IP configuration done in router 1, then router 2. Then enable the config T, then hostname site B. Assign IP in interface 0/0, IP address 192.168.220.1, 255, then 0, no chart. IP address assign IP is done in assign IP in router 0, that is ISP router, hostname ISP. Now configure OSPF in router 1. For that command, router OSPF, then process ID. Here my case process ID 10, then router ID. I assign router ID manually, that is 10.10.10.10. Then declare network. Here declare to network. Then wildcat marks. Then another network, that is 10.10.0, and wildcat mask is 0.0.3, and area 0. Then save, do WR. Now go ISP router and configure here OSPF. Router OSPF 10, then router ID, here my case 1.1.1, and declare network 10.10.0, wildcat marks, then area. Now configure OSPF in router site B. Router OSPF 10, then router ID, then declare network. Now I make GRE tunnel in side A and side B. Here IP address is 192.168.5.0/32 block. That means two IP address used in the network. One side A, I use 192.5.1. So I enter router side A and declare here interface tunnel 1. Then IP address 192.168.5.1 and subnet mark 255.252. Then no shutdown. And configure here GRE tunnel. That means tunnel mode GRE IP. Then tunnel source. Here is gigabyte 0/1 source. Then tunnel destination. That means side B address exit interface. That is gigabit. And that is IP address is 20.20.2. Then save the configuration. Now I enter router side B and enter the tunnel 1, interface tunnel 1. Then assign IP address. Here is 192.168.5.2. Then subnet marks. Then no shutdown. Then declare tunnel mode GRE IP. Then tunnel source interface. Here is gigabit 0/1. Then tunnel destination. That is 10.10.2. Then save. Now I check the configuration. So IP interface tunnel 1. So IP interface brief. Here tunnel interface is off. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.